Hey guys, Tony here. Forget about the video that I actually just posted because that one actually has no sound. And I mean, I'm gonna make this quick just because the last video actually took me a bit and just to like talk through it and stuff. But anyways, RKT has actually started their $1 billion buyback program December 3rd. But I kind of wanted to let you guys know that's going to be from December 3rd to December 2021, which is fantastic. But on average, that would be $83 million purchase power for the month. But that doesn't necessarily mean that they're using their money to purchase every single month. They can wait it out up until December or November of next year and buy $1 billion worth of buyback of their shares by next year. So we have to be, it's a good thing, but we don't know when they're actually doing it, when they're actually going to be buying it back. We don't know when they're purchasing. There's no filing on that. The 8K didn't say. It just said when the period starts and when the period ends. But that doesn't mean that they have to buy every single day or every month. It just means that they just gave us a time frame of when it's going to happen. So they can buy all of it tomorrow. They can spend $1 billion and they can buy everything tomorrow, or they can wait it out until literally December 2021 and use their $1 billion in buying power to do the buyback program then. It's not gonna be, every single day or every month. It's whenever they want to and whenever they feel like it.